What's up, y'all? It's Bam, and I'm gonna jump straight into this video. So you'll need an angle brush and an eyebrow brush, and I'm just brushing the hairs in the direction I want it to go. And then I'm taking my NYX eyebrow gel and putting it on my angle brush and like drawing my natural eyebrow shape with it. And you can get this NYX eyebrow gel from any local beauty supply store in the makeup section. It's my favorite eyebrow gel to use, and it's waterproof. Like, bro, your eyebrows not going nowhere for a couple of days unless you really want to wipe your eyebrows off. So yeah, this is a good eyebrow gel to use. It's very affordable. So now I'm just drawing the natural shape of my eyebrows, and I'm gonna do that to both eyebrows. So after I drew the natural shape of my eyebrows with the gel, I'm now taking my eyebrow brush and brushing my eyebrows to get that natural fade effect so it can look as natural as possible. So now I'm taking this flat brush and I'm going to take a concealer that's one shade lighter than my skin tone to give it that highlight effect, and I'm going to trace the bottom of my eyebrow with the concealer. But y'all see what I'm doing. Hopefully y'all can learn visually because I am so bad at explaining things, bro. Like, it don't make no sense. But y'all see what I'm doing and how I'm doing it, so hopefully y'all get the gist of it. So for the top of my eyebrow concealer, well, it's really not concealer, I'm using my color foundation for the top of my eyebrow to trace the top of my eyebrow, and not a shade lighter because I want it to blend into my forehead. Like, I don't want it to be light around my forehead, so I'm using my color foundation to trace the top of my eyebrow. Before y'all say anything about my beauty blender, y'all, I know it's messed up, it's tore up, it needs to go in the trash. Like, I need to throw this thing away. Like, why do I still have this beauty blender? It's falling apart. Oh my god, y'all, look at that. I feel so embarrassed, bro. Like, but before y'all come for me in the comments, just know I need a new one. I need to throw it away. So I'm just taking this, whatever this is, and I'm blending out the concealer around my eyebrows. so that's basically it for this eyebrow tutorial. Hopefully you guys can do some eyebrows after watching this video. So let me know down in the comment section down below. And make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video.
Pink, can you sit with me? Bitch, what the fuck you think? Hell to the fuck no.